absolute emptiness. I feel a command pushing me, the pressure trying to bend me. Blind thoughts that look like pages, with words that have no meaning. I feel an absolute emptiness.